Hey everybody, I'm super stoked. I got this Magic the Dark Age. Boom.
Round one, fight!
Welcome to Motoscades and Coffee. Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Motoscades and Coffee. This is Andy. I'm about to go on another arcade run to pick up a Pac-Man. A straight Pac-Man this time. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you something right there. That is Magic the Dark Age that had a game family PCB in it. Hard drive PCB, like 3,501 games. Hard drive started getting wonky, so I put a Pandoras Box. It's 5S in there. It's a multi-cade. I think it's $12.99 and one, something like that. Let's go check it out. So there it is. We'll go check out the game. Here's what we had in there. It was it's called a game family PCB. It's hard drive. It has an ATX. It has a whole bunch of stuff on it. The fan was broken on it, so it was overheating and the game would pop. It would just freeze up. So I put a new mounting bracket in, and something happened and the whole game just would not boot up. So I put a Pandoras Box in there. I'm gonna go check it out. There it is. There is the Pandoras Box. A little bit of spaghetti, but trust me, it's a lot better than what it was. It actually is a combination of ATX and switching power supply. Why that happened, I don't know. But look at this thing, super clean. I don't know if this is a gauntlet. No, it's not a gauntlet. I have a gauntlet. I think it is a Magic the Dark Age straight game, because there's my Gauntlet Legends, and that's a different cabinet. A little bit. Maybe it is. I don't know. No, this is a little bit different. Anyway, so beautiful graphics, really cool. 6-button, 2-player. You can set up for free play or coin op. But I'll show you something cool. Let's turn it on. Pandoras Box are amazing games. They boot up really quickly. Everything does work. Oh, I got to turn the power supply on. Standby. All right, Pandoras Box are amazing games. They boot up very, very quickly. It's not going to show well in the light, but I promise you, even the marquee's on. You can see it flash on. We'll play it in there. In the meantime, just know that you can play 1 or 2 player, no problem. Loads up very quickly. And I'll play it in the dark so you can see. And boots up really good, very quickly. As I said, beautiful monitor. You can put the credit button right here. And it has just tons of fighting games. That's what this is really set up for. 12.99 games. So I don't know. Most of them I've never heard of. Just playing some X-Men right there. Two-player, I think. Yep, all right, cool. All right, just know that all the buttons work. I had to rewire everything. There it is. It is going to be for sale soon. Let me know if you're interested. That Game Family PCB will also be for sale. And this will have all the manuals that goes with the game family too. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.